Start SmartLCT. Click Create Offline Design on the navigation menu, and the pop-up project creating menu includes 1. Project name and save path of project engineering files. 2. Device selection, for which various models of NovaStar products are provided. VX4S is used for this demo. 3. Cabinet type selection. 4. Screen size setting. Screen size is set by the number of cabinets. 5. Selection of cabinet connection type between auto connection and manual connection. Click OK after all preparations are made to enter the editing page of the software and start actual operations. Step 1. Select a network port. Choose the added cabinet in the toolbar and add a cabinet in the editing area. Step 2. Select cabinet connection type between auto connection and manual connection. Auto connection indicates that after the cabinet connection type has been selected, cabinets will connect to each other automatically while adding cabinets in the editing area. Manual connection is to connect manually as required after cabinets have been added. Afterwards, you can drag cabinets to build a screen into the shape as required to complete your creation, just like building blocks.